If you're a woman over 40 and everything about making money online feels overwhelming, like you're trying to put a piece together for a puzzle without the picture on the box, this video is going to bring you so much clarity because today I'm sharing 5 online income streams that women over 40 can start with calm, confidence, and no pressure to become someone that you're not. And the fifth one is exactly what helped me to build multiple income streams and finally understand how everything fits together. So let's get into the first one. The number one is the digital product. You probably heard a lot of people talking about the digital product, but here's something I wish someone had told me earlier. Digital products are not about being creative or decorating digital products with this fancy. It's about solving one specific problem that you have already lived through. And as a women over 40, we have lived through a lot. We parented, we have managed our homes, worked full time, taken care of others, our parents, our families. We have organized, planned parties, events at work, at home, so many. Every one of those experiences is a digital product. The checklist you wish you had when you were running short on time as a busy mom, the routine that served you time, the guide you wish someone gave you sooner, but now you can give it to somebody else in the form of digital products. And the interesting part is, digital products we create once and we sell forever. That means no hustling, it's just all your wisdom. Number two is affiliate marketing. Most people overcomplicate this, but the truth is very simple. You have been already doing affiliate marketing most of your life, recommending things that whatever you love to your friends, to your loved ones, but you just never got paid for it. When I became a mom and I started working night shifts, I didn't have the time or energy to build a business, but I did have things I used, I loved every single day. And now I recommend them through a special link. That becomes an easy way to create an income without showing my face or without being online all day. And it works beautifully for women over 40 because we love recommending things with honestly. And number three is freelance micro skills. This is the most underrated income stream for our age group. You know why? Because we underestimate ourselves. We think everyone can do this, but they can't organize like you and they can't think ahead like you. Simple tasks like organizing someone's files, creating checklists, formatting documents, writing basic descriptions, or managing simple tasks online. These are the things people pay for because they want someone reliable and get things done. And reliability is something women over 40 do better than anyone. And let me know in the comments if you do agree with that. Number four is UGC and no face content. UGC is user generated content. Brands today want real people, not influencers. They want the women with the lived experiences, the women who actually uses the product and the women who looks like their actual customers. And you don't need to show your face. You can just do your hands only videos, unboxing videos, just voiceovers, product shorts, all of it works. I started doing this when I barely had any time or confidence, but what helped me was understanding that brands don't want perfect, they want trusted, and that's you. And number five is learning digital skills, the one that tied everything together for me. And this is where everything shifted for me. For the longest time, I tried to figure it out alone. I invested in random things, I failed, I tried again, and honestly, a lot of it was confusing. Not because I wasn't capable, but because no one was teaching the whole picture. But once I learned the core digital skills, the skills that actually run the online world, everything started to make sense to me. Whether it's affiliate marketing, the digital products, content creation started to make sense to me, how I can add multiple income streams and how they even work. Learning these skills helped me build income quietly, calmly, at my own pace, and even with 2 kids, and while I was working full time night shifts and navigating the life. And the way I learned these skills, I was not in a rush. There was no rush for me. I didn't expect to submit an assignment. I didn't expect to have the end lines to complete the module. I worked through on my own pace, the way I liked it, from wherever I want to start. This gives me more clarity and step-by-step foundation about all the different platforms, all the different income streams. That's what made me more confident and helped me to create multiple income streams from this one single set by learning the digital skills. So now, if you ever looked other people making money online and then you wish I could start, but being a 40-year-old, you feel like maybe you can, let me tell you, you can. You just have to find a right option for you. And there are a lot of different options. For me, because I was working, I just didn't want to have something more on my plate, which will take up my time instead of giving me more free time. So that's why I'm sharing this exact same foundation program with you guys to get started so that you can actually understand what platform, what business idea, what affiliate marketing or digital marketing matches with your skill set and your lifestyle. And if you want the same foundation that helped me finally connect the dots, the link to the program that helped me is below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe because we're not chasing money here. We are building meaning, choices, and freedom one simple at a time.